All right, number 5. Here in number 5, a little bit different. We have the adding on the bottom. We can't split it up like we did in number 4. What we're going to do here instead is we're going to multiply by the conjugate of 1 plus cosine of x. We're going to multiply by 1 minus cosine of x, top and bottom. Right, and then on the bottom, what happens if we multiply? All right, so with this, when we multiply these, on the top, we're just going to have sine of x times 1 minus cosine of x. But what do we get if we take 1 plus cosine of x times 1 minus cosine of x? 1 minus cosine squared of x. And 1 minus cosine squared of x is one of those Pythagorean identities you should remember from pre-calc. Right. 1 minus cosine squared of x is the same as sine squared of x. So we end up canceling out the one sine x on top and one of the ones on the bottom. So now we want to go ahead and split things up like we were in the first few problems. I'm going to write 1 minus cosine of x times 1 over sine of x. And so there's a couple of things that we need in this problem. Right? The 1 minus cosine of x needs an x on the bottom, so I'm going to multiply the bottom by x. But that means I need to multiply the top by x, which is nice because this sine of x needs an x on top. So I'm going to put that x on top here. Now we can take the limit of each part. Limit of this first part is 0. Limit of the second part is 1. So our overall limit for this one is 0.